Bonjour les enfants, comment ça va? Today we are going to describe what people are wearing, and I want you to watch the video of verb porter. It means to wear, porter, to wear, because this is the verb that we are going to use today.
Vert, noir, gris, jaune, rouge, bleu foncé, bleu clair, bleu marine, rose, orange, marron, violet, blanc.
Let's review what we took so far. Do you remember the colors? Can you write the colors with the right spelling for the masculine and the feminine and the plural? Once we finish describing what someone is wearing or what we wear, we can also add an opinion about the clothes. So I want you to look at the table there. It has some different opinions that you can use to describe the clothes and also to give the opinion. So to say I wear, we use je porte. We saw this before. To say he is wearing, we say il porte. And to say she is wearing, we use elle porte. I bet that you also noticed that the opinions are always starting with c'est, C apostrophe est, c'est. C'est means it is. In the example that you can find in this slide, we are describing what a boy is wearing and also we give an opinion. So we say il porte une chemise blanche, c'est super. Il porte une chemise blanche, c'est super. It means he is wearing a white shirt. That's great or that's super. Can you describe the following people's clothes as I did here? Now it is your turn. If you choose the blue crown, so you will have to color the picture and then write down what they are wearing in this picture. If you if you choose the white crown, in this case you will have to choose any celebrity and then start describing what he or she is wearing. And then for the red crown, you have to translate the sentences from English into French. Good luck. Au revoir.